Now we are discussing about small services. Small services. In that today we are discussing about to sell your photography. Got a passion for taking photos. Turn your hobby into a full-time online photography business. Today you don't just have to sell services for weddings and corporate and ad campaigns. You can easily set up a store and sell prints, posters, NFTs, and more. Or you can sell your photos on stock photography sites. Suppose your photography is an interesting field of view, for example, then you can sell photos also in your local places and otherwise your going places also. Then you will get a very good business opportunity. So you can sell your photos also in online, especially in e-commerce websites also. Wishing you all the best.